Again, we want to award muna yung Honor Million Club natin, yung hardworking natin. Honor key opinion leaders o KOLs na nagmarka talaga from the Honor X9B until Honor X7C. So, ito yung mga as in nag-viral na videos. So, first awardee natin is
Aliyah de Garcia.
So, wala si Aliyah dito. Actually, our first, yung first four winners ng ating award, they couldn't make it, but we would like to take this opportunity to thank Aliyah de Gracia and Princess Aliyah of GMA Sparkle Artist Center, and also Sir Gaben, who has done a tremendous job ng ating Honor X7C. And of course, sino ba makakalimot dun sa mga skits na ginawa ni Miss Angelica Pangaliban?
Yeah.
So,
is Tanay here? Si Tanay ba nandito?
Wala. Okay, so, punta naman tayo sa mga nandito. Pasok sa ating Honor Million Club is The Aguinaldos.
Esther Abion.
Ayan, at si makakatanggap tayo ng trophy and cash prize. There we go. Congratulations.
Hi, guys.
And last but definitely not the least, may we call on Team Moshi!
Go Team Moshi!
Makapala na eh. Oo nga eh. 10K yun eh. Sabi mo, mahirap pa namin yung
Congratulations!
Dala ko cellphone lang eh. Dala ko cellphone lang. Biglang post dito. Tungkod ka ka na. Madaling 10K yun ha. Walang iya.
Congratulations!
Walang iya.
Sa pag-ibig na ulit.
Kinakapa ako nung ano eh. Dahil marami mag-ahang.
Okay, and now we also want to commend yung aming very hardworking Honor KOL also sa lahat ng efforts namin this year. Kasama sila, minsan kasama sila sa dress, sa setup talaga, at mukha na silang empleyado ng Honor. Oo, ang tawag dito sa award ito is Honorary Employee of the Year. Oo, kasi sa sobrang alam na nila lahat, mukha na silang
Sobrang lapit na nila sa amin.
Oo, so ang ating
Kulang na lang may desk sila sa amin.
Oo. Okay. Oo. So ang ating first winner,
Of course, yung Miss Pauline Amalix. Hi, Pao. Pao here.
yes.
Pao there.
Thank you, Pao here.
Pao there.
Pao there. Congratulations again,
Our
trophy and cash prize.
Yes. And of course, mamaya. Dalawa sila eh, kaso wala pa yung isa.
Si Pauline hosted our Honor X7C launch, and also yung ating kiosk opening in SM Mega Mall, which we highlighted Honor Magic.
Ever gorgeous.
Yes.
Pauline Amalix. Sarap.
Congratulations! Yes, we're also honored na maging co-employee.
Gusto mo ba ng desk sa amin? Raven.
Okay, and now the last award for the Honor KOLs is of course Honorable Content of the Year. So overall, ito talaga yung nagmarka at sobrang pumutok for honor. And
Yeah.
so ang ating, so dalawa sila, ang ating first Honorable Content of the Year is
Drummer Yee!
yes, congrats!
Shanta.
Wait na lang daw.
Read na lang. Go.
And of course, and cash prize. Oo.
Masyado na.
Yun o.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And who will forget the ever viral Com TV Honors 90 video?
Pinagkaguluhan.
Oo. So, nandito pa ba Team FA?
L?
Wala na. Wala na.
Dominaris. Com TV.
Okay.
Alright.